morning guys.
Kamusta po kayong lahat? Nako, medyo natagalan po tayong mag-update sa ating vlog. Ang dami pong kabisihan ngayong month, but praise God, eto na. We're giving you a live update about our
activities for the month
2026.
Hindi pa kami nakakapag-upload because kinocompile pa namin yung mga videos. And
siguro by the time na mapapanood nila to, obviously we were able to compile na all the videos, and yeah, we will put them together in one vlog. So for today, we have an exciting day. It's actually a long weekend here in Australia just because of the Australia Day, and nag-leave kami ni Arvin pareho. So thank God, and ihahatid kasi namin sa Sydney yung mga families, uncles and aunties. This Sunday na sila babalik ng Manila. So yeah, we will keep you updated, and we will share to you our activities. Actually, wala kami masyadong plano, so we'll see how we go. We'll just play it by ear kung ano yung random na maisip natin. Probably just food tripping and just walking around Sydney and just enjoying the weather there, because we know na medyo mas warm ang kanilang climate dun as compared here in Canberra. So yeah, thanks guys. See you later.
See you again guys.
Bye. Hello again guys.
Wow.
Yun, settled na po tayo ngayon. Napadami ang gamit, so medyo natagalan kami mag-set up ng mga bagahe sa cars. At least 2 sasakyan naman po tayo ngayon. Papunta ng Sydney, so we will be spending some short days before the holiday.
Gamot.
Ay, kay mother.
Ay, hindi ko, ano?
Hindi nyo dadalhin?
Hindi, meron na ako.
Sigurado kayo, ha?
Yes.
100%.
Meron na daw siyang
Meron
stash
ako.
ng gamot.
Salamat, thank you.
100%. Hindi kailangan, ha?
Hindi na.
Ha?
Hindi na.
Nakailan tanong. So yun. Medyo nag-take some time nga lang kasi nag-aayos kami ng mga gamit. As per our titas, nadagdagan ng kanilang mga bagahe. They had to add extra kilos.
Wow,
Because of the pasalubongs, yun talagang main
The
culprit
chocolate
eh. The
ones.
chocolates, yan. So, anyway, we're so excited. Mag-spend tayo ng long weekend sa Sydney. Monday is gonna be the Australia Day, and by that time magpa-fly na po sila pabalik ng Pilipinas. Sige guys, we'll catch you
When is the
later.
Australia Day?
26th of January,
That is
Monday.
Monday.
di mag-stay pa kayo? You will stay pa in...
Hindi pa po, mga Sunday babalik na po. Sige, bye bye.
Vlog. Hello guys. Dito tayo sa Marathon Chatswood. Check-in tayo dito kasi ito ang pinakamalapit. Natin namin yung family ko, mga kapatid ko going back to Manila. So, yeah. For now, stay muna tayo dito. Matapos natin yung workout, gym. And I'm just going to have a cup of coffee.
Hi guys! Hello!
Hello!
So, nakapag-check-in na tayo finally.
Finally, we're going to
Lalabas
eat.
kami in a while para bumili ng lunch. Pero hindi namin sasama ang aking mother dear, ang aming mother dear. Kasi kailangan niya mag-rest. So,
Pahinga,
dadalhin lang
tsaka
namin siya sa
kasama.
isang room. Dalawang rooms tayo ngayon. So, we're staying here in Chatswood, Epping Club. Yeah, dito tayo sa elevator. Medyo boring. Wala, nothing much to see other than the buildings. So, we'll see ang isang room.
705.
We're gonna check out the other room. Yeah.
Saan na ingay?
Parang siyang apartment hotel, yung style nito. Itong hotel na to. Fully, ano na siya, furnished na siya. So, yeah, they're here.
AIN.
Hello!
Hello!
Everybody! Where are the people?
Hello! Coffee mate.
Hello!
Well,
Say hello to the vlog!
Ang kape.
Uy, lagyan ng ilaw.
Hindi, dala nila yung susi.
Hindi, di ba may susi ka?
Hindi, ibang magkaibang
Dadali
susi.
lang daw dito sa Ate Bobby.
Okay. Siya.
Nangangamoy ng kape.
Oo nga, ang sarap ng amoy. Sige, bibili muna po kami ng food.
Nakakatikim din uli ng koping ano.
Sarap. Sige.
Ano yung ano, kangaroo jerky?
siya.
Richard, ah?
Kangaroo, ano ba?
Kangaroo jerky. Spicy.
Ano yun?
Ang pasalubong daw sabi ni Cara.
Hindi ko pa nakikita.
Kangaroo spicy.
Yung ano sa parang biltong. Hello guys, we're in Chatswood Marathon. Ano tawag ba? Gala-gala.
Let's go.
Hi guys muna. Hi guys. Hi vlog. Hi vlog.
Saan to?
Rockware. Saan tayo pupunta? Magla kokotse?
Pagdating ng dinner time, it was the senior's turn naman to go out. Pero this time, hindi na ako nakasama kasi sobrang pagod na talaga ako kaya bumawi muna ako ng tulog. Pero kahit hindi ako nakasama, mukhang super nag-enjoy naman silang lahat sa kanilang pamamasyal.
We just woke up, so it's already 15 minutes past 7 o'clock today, and it's a Saturday. Our second day here in Sydney. So, ang ganda ng panahon. And Arvin is already making breakfast. And for today, medyo jam-pack po yung schedule natin. But we will take it slow. I think this is the last day bago po umalis or bumalik sa Pilipinas yung mga aunties and uncles natin. So they will try to maximize their last day here in Australia before their flight back to Manila tomorrow. So yeah, we will just enjoy yung araw na to. And nakakatuwa kasi ngayon ulit ako nakabalik sa sa Sydney. Parang feeling ko many times na kaming punta, pero parang feeling ko turista din ako. So yun, masarap yung tulog kasi ang ganda ng kama at saka hindi masyadong mainit, so hindi na namin tinurn on yung aircon. Chill, relax, or siguro pagod lang talaga kami sa sa biyahe tsaka sa work this week, so that's why parang ang bilis namin nakatulog kagabi ni Arvin. So yun, tulungan ko muna si Arvin gumawa ng breakfast for the day. Bye!
So, ganito pala ang typical na breakfast namin ni Arvin. Omelette loaded with vegetables, high in protein and rich in fiber. Pareho kaming mahilig magluto, kaya mas prefer namin to kaysa laging kumain sa labas. Mas healthy na, nakakatipid pa, at mas special pa kasi we get to share these simple moments together.
Minimake sure kumakain kayo ng gulay.
Ano yung niluluto ng gabi? Malunggay.
Kasi namin malunggay, hindi ko lang malunggay yun.
Yan ay kale,
Kamatis,
mushroom.
mushroom.
Ano yung sa maliliit?
Parang
Masarap pala siya dito.
Very nutrition ko sa kanan pa.
Kale. What's that? Kale.
Hindi ko alam ang king.
Chop.
Sa mga sidebook lang yan.
Hindi daw din.
Wala sa sidebook
yan.
Wala sa sidebook.
Baka meron sa SNR or
Meron sa
Landers.
ano.
Wow! Galing! That's your order! Enjoy!
Dito kain kayo. $25 order. $25 per order?
Yun, o, di ba? Hotel style yan.
Yan, alam mo, nagsabihin lang ko.
Sa akin yun, isang itlog pwede na. Pwede na.
Wala sa sabon.
After our enjoyable breakfast together, we headed for another adventure. Back to Sydney Harbour po tayo para puntahan ang Governor House. Medyo mahaba-habang lakaran from Sydney Opera House, pero okay lang, dahan-dahan lang kami since mga seniors ang kasama namin. Sobrang init din ng panahon that day, naku. Kaya we made sure to take our time, pause, and enjoy the view along the way. And we're here! Welcome to the Government House. Ito pala yung official residence ng Governor ng New South Wales. Ang ganda niya, guys. Very classic at punong-puno ng history para kang bumalik sa ibang panahon.
Ready to show me then, please. Couple of things for inside the house. This is the residence of the Governor of New South Wales, as well as where she works. So she lives upstairs there, which means we do request that gentlemen remove hats as you go through the doorway here. Also, as a result, photography is permitted inside the house, but no movies.
Pagkatapos ng halos kalahating araw na galaan, quick stop muna tayo sa grocery store para mag-replenish ng snacks. Napansin kasi namin na mas mura siya dito kumpara sa Canberra, kaya sinulit na namin mag-stock up talaga for the next few days. Hindi na pala namin naisip lumabas pa ulit after that. We really needed to recharge and slow down muna. The next day kasi babiyahin na kami ulit pabalik ng Canberra. More than 3 hours din yung travel na yun from Sydney. So ito, in-enjoy na lang namin ni RV ng magpahinga at mag-enjoy sa moments na to together. Finally guys, after dropping our family off at the airport, diretso na rin kami bumiyahe pa uwi. Hindi na namin na-vlog yung moment sa airport since we were a bit busy, but it was such a meaningful send-off. Salamat pala sa pagsama sa amin hanggang sa dulo. Please don't forget to subscribe ha. Maraming salamat po ulit. Bye!